a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you'd never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
Hello, and I'm back, and I'm glad you're here today too. Let's start by grabbing our ankles, or calves if you need a modification, and bending our legs, then straightening. Bend, straighten. Last time. Bend, straighten. Now bend, then hold your legs in a deep plie. Use your elbows to push your knees outwards. You want to try to push your legs into a 180-degree line while pushing your bottom closer towards the floor.
We are floating like a
Come on up. Bend. Push. You've got this. Don't give up.
It's the same. I'm shaking off.
Come up. Bend. Push. Almost finished. Prove to yourself that you are strong enough to hold this through. This is also building your strength for your legs, so 2 in 1.
Low, 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 low.
Finished. Now we're going to rotate into our right lunge. Make sure your ankle is directly above your knee for correct form.
Living on display. I'm picking up all the traces. Caught you on instant replay. You keep floating like a dream.
Now switch into your one leg pike.
You're straight, it's not the same. I'm shaking off what you throw. Stepping out of the shadow.
Come up and transition into the next position.
I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. Waking up, thinking about me, thinking about you.
Now we're going to switch into a side lunge and using our right hand to push our bent leg outwards.
About me, thinking about you. I'm shaking off what you throw. Stepping out of the
Transition to the other side like a spider.
I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. I'm shaking off what you throw.
Now go up and over. Try not to use your hands if you can. When I first started doing this, I could not do it without my hands, but I kept practicing, I got stronger, and now I can do it without my hands. Go into your left lunge, challenge yourself. Don't stay in your comfort zone.
Fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from.
Push back into your one leg pike.
Suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper.
Next position.
I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. Not saying I'm some genius.
Finished. Sit and straddle and shimmy to your right side.
Baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know.
Come up and lean forward to your right.
Afterwards, 'cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to.
Now stretch to your left side.
Yeah, I want something deeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know how much I should know. Yeah, I want something deeper.
Come up and lean forward to your right.
So baby, something that's deeper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's so close, but still we can never. Yeah, I want something deeper.
Come up and now lean forward. Push past your limits.
I don't wanna fight no more.
Do you feel a sore pain? Feel like you want to just get out of this stretch because it's hard, it hurts? Good, it's working. If you don't feel anything, push further.
The up and down excites you.
Finished. Great job. Now we're gonna do our butterfly.
Time is buried underneath.
Put your feet together and try to push your knees to the floor.
I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows,
Lean to your right side, keeping your knees down.
waking, not staying low, 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 low. You got a million faces,
Switch to your left side.
living on display. I'm picking up all the traces, caught you on instant replay. You keep floating
Finished. Place your hands at the center and aim for a flat back.
from your reach. Your stride is not the same. I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows.
Come up and lay on your back. We're gonna do middle split kicks.
Not staying low, 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 low.
Straighten your legs in the air, right leg over left, left over right, and kick down into center. 10 times. Here we go. Beat, beat, 10. Beat, beat, 9. Beat, beat, 8. Beat, beat, 7. Beat, beat, 6. Beat, beat, 5. Beat, beat, 4. Beat, beat, 3. Beat, beat, 2. Beat, beat, 1. Beat, beat, 0. Now open your legs and straddle. I'm putting on ankle weights to help push my legs further down.
Shaking off what you throw.
Roll your ankles 2 times forward and 2 times backward. Now bend your legs and flex your feet as you do so. Then straighten and point your feet. Bend your legs, then straighten. One last time. Bend, then straighten. Now you're just gonna dangle here in straddle. Try not to touch your legs for a challenge. And I'm really killing you guys here, but we're gonna do 10 crunches. Go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are not only gonna get more flexible, but stronger after this workout. Time's up, hug your knees and release any tension.
Floating like a dream.
We're gonna go into our half middle split. Make sure your butt is directly above your hips for this stretch to be effective.
It's the same. I'm shaking off what you throw, stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. faces, living on display. I'm picking up all the traces, caught you on instant replay.
Finished.
You keep floating like a dream.
Wall splits, 2 minutes. Don't exit out of this video, face the challenge. If you want to get your middle splits, you gotta do the work. I lost my middle splits because I had to stop stretching for 6 months due to a leg injury, but before it, this was one of the most important stretches in my routine to getting my middle splits. But you need to push past your limits or otherwise it will be ineffective. Remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Also, I highly recommend these ankle weights for it adds more resistance to push your legs further down, giving you a deeper stretch. I linked where you can buy it in the description below.
If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something different. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. And my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools gladly know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something different. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something.
Finished. 2 more stretches to go.
So baby, something that's deeper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So close, but still we can never. Yeah, I want something deeper.
I don't wanna fight no more. I know you'd like to. Ready for the roller coaster. The up and down excites you.
First, middle splits. 1 minute, go. Success is achieved by the tired, discouraged people who kept on going. Don't give up. Every second you hold on and push through is weakness leaving the body, so next time you will experience less pain when you do the middle splits. So push through now and become stronger tomorrow. And of course, remember, no pain, no gain.
Stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. You got a million faces, living on display. I'm picking up all the traces, caught you on instant replay. You keep floating.
Finished. Come on out. You have one last stretch to do.
From your reach, your stride is not the same. I'm shaking off.
Use any elevated surface and put your right leg on top and slide as far down into your middle splits as you can. I'm using Lebert parallettes that are very versatile. You can use them with strengthening workouts, more intense flexibility exercises, many things. I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out. Even if you don't have your middle splits, still do this. I was really struggling here. I so badly wanted to get out, but then I realized we were strong enough to get this far in the routine. So we're strong enough to keep going and finish.
Only thinking about you. I'm shaking off what you.
Done. Switch sides.
Stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. I'm shaking off what you throw. Stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low.
Wow. We are done. Internet high five! We're gonna release all our tension in child's pose. Feel free to stay in this position as long as you'd like.
Stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low. I'm shaking off what you throw. Stepping out of the shadows. I'm waking, not staying low, 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 low.
And they say I want you to see all the ways I can